Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches here. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. If you're brand new here, thank you so much for coming by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell for notifications. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I love seeing you here and all your comments down below. So today I've got a quick and fun announcement. If you've been to my channel before, you know that I've been sewing along with the Fort Worth Fabric Studio mystery quilts, and Jody has over at Fort Worth Fabric Studio has asked me to sew along again. So thank you so much for that, Jody. This next one is a Halloween quilt. It's called Dark Flight, so I'm real excited. I can't wait to see the patterns and see what turns up on this Dark Flight quilt. But I've received the fabric kit and permission to tell you guys about it. So the sew along begins August 29th and ends September 26th, so it's going to be a 5-week sew along. Usually the first week is fabric requirements and cutting instructions, and there are kits available, and they will start going on sale in the next day or so. I'll put the link down below. If you see this video before it's available, keep checking back. It'll pop up there. And there's also something new this time around. Jody came up with a kit for a table topper that not necessarily matches, but coordinates with the quilt. So don't think if you go see that you're going to know what the quilt looks like. It's called I've Got a Crow. It's really, really cute. I've seen it on their website. That is already up for sale. So if you want to grab that, you're welcome to. Also, while you're over there, the kit includes everything you need for the mystery sew along for the top and binding, but not the backing. So if you want some backing fabric that matches, go ahead and grab your backing fabric. You'll need 3.5 yards of backing fabric, and Jody's got a lot of really cute Halloween fabrics. Almost any of them will go. There's also some fabric from the fabric line that they're using for this sew along. So I'm going to show you some of those fabrics now. So here they are. Here's part of them. Very, very cute. There's some crows and some pumpkins. And then we've got some more pumpkins and some kitty cat faces. And then some black and cream and some more black. Different sort of black. And then she put this cute little bag, which I love because pumpkins are my favorite thing about fall. I just love them. So that's the fun announcement for today. I know a lot of you have been waiting for this announcement, looking for their next sew along. The other fun thing is that Jody has always been very generous, and she's done it once again. And I really, really appreciate that she does this. But she has sent me a spare kit to give away to one of my viewers. So all you have to do to win this kit is be subscribed and put a comment down below about what your favorite thing is about fall. For me, fall is my favorite season, so I'm really excited about this. I love the change of the leaves. I love the crisp air in the evening. We always go apple and pumpkin picking in the fall, so I'm getting really excited. Definitely the days are getting shorter here in Ohio. The evenings are getting cooler, so I can see fall starting to creep in a little bit. So I want to know what your favorite part about fall is. And I wanted to let you guys know, because we have had a little bit of problems with this in the past, all of us creators. When we give away something, we've had spammers or bots come into our channel and tell people that they've won when they really haven't, and get them to click on a link that they may be stealing your information. So if you get any kind of message that you've won, and they say click here, or contact us here, believe me when I tell you that that is not me. Please ignore it. I will be checking the chat regularly, or the comments regularly, to make sure we don't have any of those, and if we do, I will remove them and block them. But I just wanted to let you guys know to watch out for that. The only way that you can win this is to come back on Friday and check out my winner video. I'm going to use a random comment picker this Friday and pick one of the comments from below and let you guys know who won, and then tell you how to contact me directly. I won't ask you to give out any information in the chat or the comments down below, and there will be no link to click on. You'll just have to email me, and I'll let you know how to do that on Friday. So come back and check out that video to see who won. And if you didn't win, I hope that you go and grab the kit from Jody, or you're always welcome to also sew from your stash, because she gives you the patterns completely for free. But the best way to support her shop, since she does give us those patterns for free, is to purchase the kit. But we totally understand if you've got a large stash or you just can't afford to right now. So that's why she gives you the patterns, so you can have fun sewing along too. So I hope you join me for the sew along. I think it's going to be a great fun, and I will see you Friday, if not sooner. Take care, everybody, and have a great week. Bye!